HurricaneShiro with you today, and today's video is going to be Easter cupcake baking. I thought it's time to make a baking video, and what's a better opportunity than Easter? Got inspired by these beautiful chocolate and green cupcakes. Every single baking video starts with ingredients, so we'll need a pre-mix cake stuff, cool bag. Also, we will need 1 1/4 of a cup of milk. We will need 3 eggs. I'm assuming you put in the eggs first. I've never done this, so we'll just roll with it. Ah! Ooh, fancy. And I got everything everywhere already. We get this thing. You can also massage your head with this thing, but we're not going to get it dirty just yet, even though I washed my hair just for this video, so it looks good. You have these eggs, and we're gonna whisk it with the hand massager. I think this is pretty good. Next thing, we're just gonna get a whole bag of the cake mix. Put everything in here. This, according to the recipe, it makes 24 cupcakes. So we're gonna enjoy 24 delicious cupcakes. So we are going to mix this and mix. This is getting like sort of hard to mix, so I'm gonna add my milk because I love my milk. Milk is good. Calcium, calcium. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we're gonna mix this, and once it gets hard to mix, we're gonna add more milk. This is how it looks so far. I should make chocolate cake, but I'm not going to because it's a cupcake video. This looks like chocolate pudding. I'm making chocolate pudding. We will need some cupcake stuff to put in the oven, which I also don't know the name of, but we're just gonna go with it. I will need to put these cute little thingies into this thing. And I'm going to put them in for 325 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Let's do this. I am finally done the first step, which is making the cupcakes. We're gonna just put them on the side and cool them off. And we will make the icing. We will need like a teeny bit of milk. 1/3 cup of margarine or butter. Some green food coloring. Also some icing sugar. I'm new to this, so we'll see how it goes. I am nervous, but we're gonna do this. So we're gonna open this. Did I buy the wrong thing? Guys, I bought icing already, and it's legit icing. Never mind, we're not gonna make icing. We're just gonna improvise, and we're gonna just use this fabulous icing. Wow. How? Let's pretend I made this. This is the most important part of the whole recipe. 4 drops of food coloring. See, it's a nice green color, and we're gonna just mix it in. Okay, we're getting there. It's like a nice minty color. We want it to be a little bit darker, so 2 more drops. 1, 2. Dun, 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 dun. A bag. La 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 la. We're gonna get a plate. We're gonna get cupcakes. So I'm going to cut off this like part, and then slowly I'm going to ice this cupcake because I have no idea you how to do this. We have 5 cupcakes done. I give up, I swear. Okay, I'm just going to. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this all kind of fell together and we are going to improvise. I have these eggs, the chocolate milk eggs, which taste fantastic, and we're just gonna brighten everything up and freaking finish this freaking cupcake thing. We're going to put a few eggs on the thing because and this is, ladies and gentlemen, why I am a fail. Forgive me! If you like this video and this recipe, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Also, make sure to comment down below because honestly, I was trying to make this video like a legit thing, but I ended up with this. Like, it's like a lava of Easter chocolate stuff. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this or just in general videos of me making a fool of myself, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And happy Easter, everybody!